Ganga Expressway and Mega Bridge. The development of Ganga Expressway and Mega Bridge represent a major leap in improving north and south connectivity in Bihar. These large-scale infrastructure projects are aimed at reducing travel time, enhancing logistic efficiency, and promoting economic growth across the state. The Ganga River divides Bihar into the northern and the southern region, creating a natural barrier to the seamless transportation. Historically, limited bridge connectivity has led to congestions, long travel time, and logistical inefficiencies. The construction of new expressway and mega bridge is addressing this issue by providing faster and more reliable routes across the river. Expressways are designed to high-speed travel with controlled access, multiple lanes, and modern safety features. The prospect Ganga Expressway corridor are expected to connect major cities, industries, hub, and rural areas, facilitating the movement of goods and people. This is particularly important for Bihar, where road transport is a primary mode of connectivity. Mega bridges across the Ganga are equally significant. This bridge reduces dependency on a few existing crossings, which are often overcrowded. By distributing traffic more evenly, they help decongest major routes and improve overall travel efficiency. They also play a critical role in emergency response and disaster management by providing alternate routes during the flood and other disruption. From an economic perspective, improved connectivity is boost trade and commerce. Faster transportation reduce logistic cost, making it easier for businesses to move goods across region. This can attract investment, promote industrial development, and create employment opportunity. The project also have a strong impact on regional development. Areas that were previously isolated due to the poor connectivity can now integrated into the broader economic network. This led to the better access to the market, education, healthcare, and other essential services. Another important benefit is the promotion of tourism. Improved road infrastructure makes it is easier for tourists to visit historical and cultural sites across Bihar. This can contribute to the growth of the hospitality and service sector. Despite this advantage, challenges such as land acquisitions, environment impact, and funding needs to be managed efficiently. Large infrastructure projects require significantly investment and coordinations among multiple agencies. Ganga Expressway and Mega Bridge are a key of transforming Bihar's transportation landscape by bridging the physical divide created by the Ganga River. This project enhances connectivity, support economic growth, and improvement the quality of life for residents.